My daily routine, a simple English story. This is the story of my daily routine. I will tell it step by step, from morning until night. I use simple English words and sentences, so anyone can understand. A daily routine is the set of activities we do every day. It is like a rhythm of life. My routine is not very special, but it is important because it helps me live in an organized way. Morning routine. Waking up. Every day, I wake up early in the morning. My alarm rings at 6 a.m. Sometimes I feel sleepy, but I know I must get up. I open my eyes, stretch my arms, and smile. I say to myself, "Good morning, new day." I get out of bed slowly. I fold my blanket and keep my bed neat. I believe a clean bed makes the room look nice. Washing and brushing. After waking up, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cool water. The water makes me fresh. Then I brush my teeth carefully. I use toothpaste and a toothbrush. I brush for 2 minutes. Clean teeth make me feel confident. Exercise. After brushing, I do some exercise. I like to stretch my body. Sometimes I do yoga. Sometimes I walk outside. Exercise gives me energy. It makes my body strong and my mind happy. Breakfast. After exercise, I eat breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit. Sometimes I drink milk or tea. Breakfast is important because it gives me strength for the day. School or work routine. Going to school work. After breakfast, I get ready for school or work. I wear clean clothes. I pack my bag. I check if I have books, pens, or my laptop. Then I leave home. If I go to school, I walk or take the bus. If I go to work, I drive or take a taxi. On the way, I look at the sky. Sometimes it is sunny. Sometimes it is cloudy. Studying or working. At school, I attend classes. I listen to teachers. I read books. I write notes. I ask questions. Learning is important for my future. At work, I sit at my desk. I open my computer. I check emails. I join meetings. I complete tasks. Work helps me earn money and grow skills. Lunch. At noon, I eat lunch. Lunch is the second meal of the day. I eat rice, vegetables, or sandwiches. Sometimes I eat with friends. We talk and laugh. Lunch gives me energy for the afternoon. Afternoon routine. More study or work. After lunch, I continue studying or working. I finish homework or projects. I try to stay focused. Sometimes I feel tired, but I remind myself to keep going. Short break. In the afternoon, I take a short break. I drink water. I walk outside. I rest my eyes. Breaks are important because they refresh the mind. Evening routine. Coming home. In the evening, I return home. I feel happy to be back. I take off my shoes. I wash my hands. I greet my family. Relaxing. After coming home, I relax. I watch TV. I listen to music. I read a book. Sometimes I play games. Relaxing helps me forget stress. Dinner. At night, I eat dinner. Dinner is the last meal of the day. I eat rice, curry, or pasta. I enjoy dinner with my family. We talk about our day. Dinner makes me feel full and satisfied. Night routine. Studying or working again. After dinner, I sometimes study again. I read books. I write homework. I prepare for tomorrow. If I work, I finish small tasks. Preparing for bed. Before sleeping, I prepare my bed. I change into pajamas. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. Sleeping. Finally, I go to bed. I lie down. I close my eyes. I think about the day. I feel thankful. Sleep is important because it gives rest. I usually sleep at 10 p.m. Reflection. My daily routine is simple, but it keeps me healthy and organized. Talking about daily routine is easy if we use simple sentences. We can say, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study. I eat lunch. I come home. I relax. I eat dinner. I sleep. These sentences show the steps of life.